Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your Zepp data with Google Fit. To begin, open the Zepp application on your mobile device. Once inside, navigate to the Profile section, usually found at the bottom right. From there, look for and select Add Accounts or Third-Party Accounts to start the connection process. This initial step is crucial for linking your health data platforms. Next, you will see a list of available third-party services. Select Google Fit from this list. The app will then prompt you to log into your Google account. Make sure to use the account associated with your Google Fit data. Crucially, grant Zepp all the necessary permissions to access and write your health and activity data to Google Fit. Without these permissions, the synchronization cannot proceed effectively. Once connected, Zepp typically synchronizes a range of data, including your daily activity, detailed sleep patterns, and continuous heart rate measurements. The data transfer usually occurs automatically in the background after the initial setup. While the first synchronization might take a few minutes to complete, subsequent updates are often much quicker, ensuring your health metrics are consistently up to date across both platforms. If you encounter any issues, first ensure both your Zepp and Google Fit applications are updated to their latest versions. A stable internet connection is also vital during synchronization. If data isn't transferring correctly, try disconnecting and then reconnecting the accounts within the Zepp app. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can resolve minor glitches, helping to maintain a seamless flow of your fitness information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.